AMD touches the lives of billions. Powering the technology you use every day. From data centers to your personal device. Automotive to automation. Curiosity to creativity. Business to breathtaking. AI to awe. And we're just getting started. AMD. Together we advance.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm so happy to be here with you today. Every year, CES turns Vegas into a world of possibility, where the only limit to our future technology is our imagination. At AMD, we've been relentlessly pushing the boundaries of high-performance computing. We are the powerhouse behind the technology you interact with every single day, helping people and enterprises rethink what computing can do for them. We power the laptops and workstations that fuel your creativity, to the consoles where you game and unwind, with high-performance processors and graphics that make the impossible possible. We power cars, manufacturing devices, surgical robotics, and communication towers. In Japan, we power train safety by enabling AI-driven track inspections to drive operations is revolutionizing industries like fish farming with touchless systems that ensure sustainability in a world where sea temperatures continue to rise. We also power the most fascinating research projects in the world, like the European Organization for Nuclear Research, which uses AMD technology to process massive quantities of data in the quest for clues on the origins of the universe. Whether you know it or not, you probably interact with AMD technology every day as we continue to push the boundaries of what computing can do to advance the world around us. And we're just getting started. Today, I'd like to zero in on end-user devices across gaming, AI PCs, and the enterprise, showing how AMD will change the way you work, play, and create. Thank you all for joining us. Let's get started with gaming. We recently launched the world's best gaming processor with the Ryzen 7 9800X3D, a tribute to the gamer's pursuit of perfection. Ever since we launched the 9800X3D, gamers all around the world have been blown away at the leap in gaming performance. The community has been asking whether we can take one more leap forward with creator applications to push the boundaries even further. And today, I'm super excited to announce that we're taking the technology in the 9800X3D into a new 16-core processor. When you're a creator, every second of your time is valuable. We are delivering the next frontier in content creation. Welcome to the new Ryzen 9 9950X3D processor. Combine the best technology for gaming and the best technology for creators into a single package. On the left side, we've got an 8-core CCD and a bonded 3D SRAM. On the right side, we have an additional 8 Zen 5 cores that can reach the highest frequency possible. This combination gives you the highest core count when you need it, the highest cache size when your application requires it, and the highest frequency when your workload demands it. The new 9950 X3D is simply the world's best 16-core gaming processor. It delivers an average 8% performance increase across a broad range of titles over our prior generation. Personally, I've been playing some of my favorite games, such as Hogwarts Legacy and Space Marine 2, and seeing over 20% performance increase over the 7950 X3D. We also tested Intel's new Arrow Lake processor, and the 9950 X3D is on average 20% faster in gaming than their best. And in many games, such as Space Marine 2 and Cyberpunk 2077, we are over 35% faster. Just like the 9800 X3D, the 9950 X3D also shares the title for the world's best gaming processor. In addition, the 9950 X3D is also the new king at content creation. It delivers an average 13% performance increase across the most popular content creation workloads over our prior generation. And in popular benchmarks, such as Cinebench and Blender, we are seeing over 15% performance improvement. And compared to Intel's new Arrow Lake processor, the 9950 X3D is on average 10% faster, and seeing performance improvements of more than 30% for workloads such as 7-Zip and Adobe Photoshop. Simply put, the Ryzen 9 9950 X3D is the world's best 16-core processor for both gamers and content creators. But we're not stopping at desktops with X3D. We want to bring the best gaming and content creation experiences everywhere. And today, I'm super excited to also share that we're bringing our Zen 5 X3D technology to mobile devices with Fire Range. Expanding our 9950 X3D milestone, we're bringing the world's best desktop gaming and content creation processor into a mobile package, available in the first half of this year. To create the best games, it requires close co-engineering with hardware, software, and OS from the very beginning of development, including extensive optimizations in Zen 5, our next generation RDNA 4 architecture, and our latest frame generation and machine learning-based upscaling technology with FSR 4. Being a lifelong gamer myself, I spend a lot of time with game studios and developers to unlock the full creativity and imagination. For our first guest, I want to introduce a true trailblazer of the gaming industry. A programmer and game designer by training, he built some of the most iconic games in the industry, such as Mortal Kombat and NBA Jam. He was responsible for the global development of Minecraft and now leads the top game studios in the world. I'm so happy to introduce our close partner, Matt Booty, President of Game Content and Studios at Microsoft, including Activision, Blizzard, and Bethesda.
Thanks, Jack, and hello to everyone at CES. Games are how we connect, how we build community, and how we explore bold new ideas. From our earliest days of building a console around DirectX and Xbox Live, to today's Xbox Play Anywhere and Game Pass, we've always pushed the boundaries to bring new, innovative experiences to players around the world. AMD has been an incredible partner to Microsoft in this journey, helping us drive innovation across every level of gaming. From powering the latest generation of Xbox consoles to enabling cutting-edge hardware for PC gamers, their technology has consistently pushed the industry forward. Our decades-long partnership with AMD has resulted in several of the underlying gaming technologies that are used by all the biggest developers today. This ranges from development of OS-level graphics APIs like DirectX 12 Ultimate and ray tracing, to larger caches, multi-threading, and driver optimizations that enable more games to be played on more devices. The Activision team is proud to partner closely with AMD to optimize Black Ops 6 for AMD Ryzen processors and Radeon graphics. Our teams can't wait to see what they can do with the next generation of processors and GPUs with Ryzen X3D and RDNA 4. Technologies like FSR and frame generation make some of our most demanding games, like Starfield, run better. These optimizations give our teams more headroom to not just push more pixels, but to actually explore richer gameplay, deeper physics modeling, and more robust systems. And this dynamic of hardware technology enabling our devs to do more continues in the future, with FSR 4 on the latest graphics cards bringing high-quality machine learning upscaling to games like Call of Duty Black Ops 6 later this year. Thank you, Lisa, Jack, and everyone at AMD for helping our teams achieve more.
Thank you, Matt. We truly value our partnership with you and the game studios. My son and I have spent countless hours playing Starfield, Diablo 4, and a new Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and we have so much fun playing them together. Thank you for your pursuit of artistic expressions, combining art and gaming together to deliver such memorable, personal, and social experiences. We absolutely love the gaming community, and we look forward to telling you more about RDNA 4 and FSR 4 later this quarter. Now let's shift gears to AI PCs. AI is the most disruptive technology in the past 50 years. The inflection point is as big as the Industrial Revolution. It's clear that AI is the new electricity. It's going to be everywhere. And today, we are bringing that technology to everyone, pushing the limits of what AI computing can do for you. To tell you more, I'd like to introduce Rahul Tikku, Senior Vice President and General Manager of our client business. Hello, Rahul.
Thank you, Jack. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to CES. I want to start by congratulating the gaming team on a great set of products that were just launched. As you saw, we have leadership technologies in the gaming space, and we continue to out-innovate the market there. Jack also talked about cloud to edge, and you heard about our gaming leadership, and I'm going to focus on AI PCs. This past year, we released our third generation Ryzen AI 300 series processors that enable the first Copilot Plus x86 PCs back in June. This was done with a single chip with leadership productivity, leadership graphics, and leadership AI capabilities. We see this in the Ryzen AI 300 reviews, calling out our great architecture, our leadership in performance, and the best AI experiences that we're bringing to our customers. And in 2025, you're going to see Ryzen AI will continue to grow with over 150 laptop designs. These are beautiful, elegant platforms from our partners like Lenovo, HP, Asus, Acer, and many more. And I think these will be some of the most desirable laptops available in the market, period. So today, I'm also proud to announce that we're expanding our Ryzen AI PC capabilities into the high-performance space with Ryzen AI 7 and 5 series processors. Codenamed Kraken Point, These new models will allow us to make our leading Ryzen AI 300 series processors available to more users and bring AMD's leading next-gen AI capabilities to everyone. Our new Ryzen AI 7 350 demonstrates faster multitasking productivity than the competition, beating Qualcomm's Snapdragon by an average of 35% across some of the key benchmarks, and the Intel Lunar Lake product by an average of 30% when tested across 9 multi-threaded benchmarks. This extra performance that our Zen 5 cores deliver make a huge difference in users' day-to-day experience with their personal computers. These processors will also feature our XDNA 2 neural processing unit. This is the fastest NPU with 50+ TOPS achieving leadership performance while also beating Intel and Qualcomm's fastest mobile processors. These processors will allow even more customers to run next-gen AI experiences just like our Ryzen AI 9 300 customers do today. And any discussion about laptops has to include portability. The Ryzen AI 300 series can deliver over 24 hours of battery life when tested in video playback, letting you stay unplugged longer to get everything done. So, in a nutshell, these processors have it all. Multi-day battery life, combined with winning performance and leadership AI capabilities. These latest additions to the Ryzen AI 300 lineup include the Ryzen AI 7 350 with 8 cores and 16 processing threads, the Ryzen AI 5 340 with 6 cores and 12 processing threads. And these new Ryzen AI processors will be available in Q1 of this year. But we're not stopping there. Today, I have some exciting news. I'm also proud to announce a whole new kind of mobile processor. This is expanding the Ryzen AI stack even higher with the Ryzen AI Max. We codenamed it Strix Halo. Just as we have increased our user choice with the Ryzen AI 300 7 and 5 models, the Ryzen AI Max processors are adding a whole new class of PCs that will be available for AMD's leading next-gen AI platforms in the market. This chip is something very, very unique and special. It is so powerful, it enables incredible experiences and is reshaping what customers can experience from their PCs. From the power of a workstation in thin and light laptops to incredibly small and powerful micro desktops, this is simply the most advanced mobile x86 processor ever created, period. It's a single chip powered by up to 16 Zen 5 cores for leading multitasking capability. It also has 40 RDNA 3.5 graphics compute units, which is the most powerful integrated graphics in the Windows ecosystem. It has also got our leadership 50 TOPS XDNA 2 NPU, and all of this is tied together with unified memory architecture that's enabling the ability to access large amounts of memory, up to 128 gigs for the CPU and the GPU, with up to 256 gigabytes a second in incredible bandwidth that is unprecedented in x86 mobile devices. The Ryzen AI Max does this all in a single chip. It bridges the divide between awesome performance and efficient portability in a whole new way for Windows laptops. With an ultra-efficient 55-watt TDP for combined CPU, GPU, and NPU power, there has never been anything like this chip in this class of sleek, thin, and light notebooks. Against the Intel Lunar Lake, we win by an astounding margin, averaging 2.6x faster rendering performance. When it comes to getting work done, Ryzen AI Max is a clear productivity winner. When comparing the graphics performance, we see similar results. Ryzen AI Max continues to dominate with graphics that is 1.4x faster than the competition. It's really not hard to see the potential that this chip offers in a mobile workstation as a result. Now, we also see impressive results across ecosystems. Look at how the Ryzen AI Max performs against the Apple MacBook Pro M4 in some popular rendering benchmarks, winning easily against the 12-core and trading blows with the 14-core. And in applications like V-Ray, which is a popular plugin for 3D modeling, we see massive gains, 86% better. We made great strides in delivering customer experience with these new Ryzen AI Max systems. And finally, with the ability to dedicate 96 gigabytes of memory to graphics, the Ryzen AI Max can run incredibly large AI workloads with performance that's faster than discrete desktop graphics cards. For example, the 70 billion parameter Llama 3.1 large language model that we are showing here runs twice as fast as the discrete RTX 4090 desktop GPU. And it does that at 87% lower TDP. So double the performance of a very high-end desktop hardware at much lower power. This is truly incredible.
Wow, tenemos un procesador demasiado rápido, mucho más rápido que el chip de M4 de iOS de Apple y un 87% con un menor TDP que hace que se caliente menos que una 4090 de Nvidia. Es espectacular.
Please join us at the AMD Connect area in the Venetian Titian rooms to try out some of these cool new examples of AI running on our Ryzen AI processors. Here are some of the Ryzen AI Max models that will be available at launch. The top of the stack is the Ryzen AI Max plus 395 with 16 cores and 40 graphic CUs. We also have the Ryzen AI Max 390 with 12 cores and 32 graphic CUs, and the Ryzen AI Max 385 with 8 cores and 32 graphic CUs. And all of these parts are going to be available Q1 of this year. And I truly hope you guys are as excited as I am to get your hands on this great product set. Now, the Ryzen AI Max, as we talked about, is going to be a game changer for creators, artists, developers. We're really proud to partner with HP to bring the HP ZBook Ultra G1A system to our customers. It's a beautiful example of a truly portable, mobile, powerful system like anything else out there. You'll also find the Ryzen AI Max processor in the new desktop HP Z2 Mini G1A. This is a 3-liter compact mini PC enabling large language models for developers and creators in incredibly cool and efficient form factor. And for the consumer segment, ASUS has created something really, really unique. This is the new ROG Flow Z13. This is an ultra-mobile 13-inch gaming tablet with a detachable keyboard in a surprisingly small, elegant, and premium package. So as you can see, we've really focused on expanding our next-gen AI PC portfolio. No one has a lineup with the breadth or the depth of Copilot Plus PCs that AMD can offer. From Ryzen AI Max in the Halo segment, all the way to the Ryzen AI 300 in the advanced segment, we're bringing the benefits of AMD's leading performance, reliability, and battery life to all of you. AI PCs are not just delivering new experiences for consumers, but they're also transforming how work gets done. And to tell you a little bit more about it, let's welcome Jack back on the stage.
Now let's talk about enterprise. AMD has been on a journey to transform every touch point of business computing, from the data center to client devices. EPYC is the CPU of choice for hyperscalers, supporting cloud services used daily by billions of users globally, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, WeChat, or WhatsApp. The world's largest and most advanced AI models run flawlessly on our Instinct data center GPUs at the highest performance per dollar, including GPT-4. We want to bring to the enterprise all the know-how from the server and data center side to the enterprise endpoint. This is what led us to design Ryzen AI Pro, uniquely suited to be the best enterprise endpoint device. At the heart of it, we elevated the experience for CIOs with AMD Pro, bringing this essential foundation of security, manageability, and reliability that enterprises have come to expect. With AMD Pro, enterprise devices get multiple layers of chip-level security built into the core, protecting sensitive data from external threats. Technology layers like AMD Memory Guard, which safeguards sensitive business data in the event an employee's PC gets lost or stolen. Or Microsoft Pluton, a chip-to-cloud technology built with zero trust principles at the core, meaning it verifies each request as though it originated from an uncontrolled network every single time. These security layers, combined with AMD Pro's manageability features, are designed to streamline IT operations while protecting the enterprise's most important assets. We focus on TCO as well to ensure that fleet investments translate to real savings in the form of productivity increases. Our PCs are equipped with the fastest x86 processors ever built, with the world's best enterprise multitasking performance. In a world where everyone does more than one thing at a time, working with slow, unreliable PCs should be a thing of the past. We also equip them with the fastest AI engine ever built, delivering the most NPU tops in the industry. With AMD, businesses can future-proof their investment and be ready to empower their workforce with the disruptive AI features coming down the pipeline. Today, hundreds of leading businesses across industries are making the switch to AMD enterprise PCs to accelerate their transformation. For example, take enterprises like ING Bank in the financial sector. They rely on AMD Pro security and reliability to keep their data protected, all while ensuring their operations run in a stable and secure environment for their banking services. Or companies like Shell in the energy sector, who are taking advantage of the advanced AI features to enhance the data analytics and decision-making processes at the device level. The time has come that enterprise CIOs no longer have to choose between the enterprise compatibility and reliability of Windows and the consumer battery life of Apple. You can now get the best of both worlds with Windows and Ryzen AI Pro.
Hello, Jack and CES. I'm proud to say.
No worries, we'll keep going. Best of all, with more than 100 options through 2025, we developed a fantastic portfolio with our OEM partners, all of which have helped us advance our mission to make meaningful change into enterprise. Now, let's hear it directly from our close partners.
Hello, Jack and CES. I'm proud to say the HP-AMD partnership is reaching new heights.
For more than 25 years, Lenovo and AMD have grown stronger together.
Together, we have been the driving force in the tech industry.
What makes our partnership so strong is that we share a focus on experiences. We identify customers' needs and co-engineer to provide better, modern, exciting, meaningful experiences. And these experiences are changing the way people get work done.
Driving innovations that define the present and set the stage for the future of personal computing. We have pushed boundaries across the entire Lenovo portfolio. ThinkPad, ThinkBook, Yoga, Legion, ThinkStation, all powered by AMD Ryzen.
Pushing the boundaries of innovation from gaming and AI PCs to creativity devices and much more.
Looking ahead, we have big plans starting here at CES. Let me share two examples. First, to help developers manage complex ISV and data science workflows, we are introducing the ZBook Ultra. It's the first workstation with the Ryzen AI Max Pro series processor and the world's most powerful 14-inch mobile workstation. Second, to help consultants analyze complex data sheets and run AI models locally, we just introduced our EliteBook X with the Ryzen AI Pro family. It's the world's most powerful next-gen AI notebook.
We know AI represents an unprecedented opportunity. AMD has been an incredible partner in working with us to scale AI platforms that are central to the success of Lenovo PCs, including our recently launched Lenovo AI Now, that is the foundation of the most advanced and sophisticated AI PCs in the market, as well as our Copilot Plus PCs, which are already simplifying how we collaborate, create, and innovate every day.
That's why the Ryzen AI 300 series powers our ASUS ProArt notebook portfolio. ProArt devices use AI to empower creators to work more efficiently and creatively. Whether it's accelerating rendering times, enhancing image quality, or streamlining editing process, ProArt is transforming the way we create.
At Lenovo, we have always said that meaningful innovation stems from strong partnerships.
We are excited to continue our journey with AMD.
And this is just the beginning.
Thank you, Alex, Luca, and Samson for the great partnership. Now, some of you may have noticed that we have someone missing in our video. CES is a moment for big ideas, big partnerships, and big opportunities. And today, we have something that checks all three of those boxes. I'd like to introduce my good friend, Sam Bird, President of the Client Solutions Group at Dell, to join me on stage. Hey, Sam. It's awesome to have you here with us at CES.
Hey, thanks so much for having me, Jack.
Definitely, definitely. Sam, when I think of Dell, the first thing that comes to mind are PCs. But the company has going to be the essential end-to-end enterprise technology provider.
Hey, that's exactly right, Jack. And I think about from our leadership in PCs that I know are near and dear to your heart and my heart, to leadership in compute, storage, and enterprise-ready solutions. Dell is at the epicenter of data-intensive workloads like generative AI. And with the Dell AI Factory, customers have access to the broadest AI portfolio, from AI PCs to the data center to the cloud. And the goal of that is delivering AI innovation at scale to organizations of all sizes across all industries.
That's incredible, Sam. You're truly a one-stop shop for all things enterprise innovation. Dell and AMD have been working together in the data for a number of years, as you well know.
Indeed.
Dell has servers running on EPYC CPUs and Instinct GPUs to accelerate workloads. But enterprise technology is an end-to-end ecosystem. And business customers are always asking me, Jack, when are you going to be in Dell commercial PCs? I get this question every single week. And I think we finally have an answer for them with the new Ryzen AI Pro processor available in Dell's new commercial AI PC portfolio.
Woo. Hey, Jack, you stole my headline.
I'm too excited.
So, okay. So, hey, yeah, you've got it exactly right. Today, we are excited to announce our new commercial-grade Dell Pro portfolio with AMD Ryzen AI Pro.
We love it. We love it.
Hey, you stole my applause, Jack.
I'll give you one now.
It's pretty tough.
I'll give you one now.
Hey, these platforms, we're super excited about them. They represent the next evolution of enterprise computing. With your products, they have the performance that businesses need today, combined with AI capabilities they're going to need tomorrow.
Definitely. Sam, this is such a historic partnership between Dell and AMD. Our first time working together to reimagine what commercial devices can do. And I'm so pumped. You and I have hundreds of engineers working together to build the absolute best enterprise PC platform. Could you share some additional perspective?
Hey, absolutely, Jack. In fact, I think we've got one here. Let's take a look, thank you, Paula, at one of our new 13-inch Dell Pro systems, powered by AMD Ryzen AI Pro.
It's beautiful.
Both available this spring for Northern Hemisphere types, Northern Hemisphere spring. Yeah, like you said, it's sleek, modern, delivers exceptional speed, incredible battery life, and powerful AI performance thanks to the AMD Pro technologies. It's really scalable, just beautiful displays, up to Quad HD, enterprise-grade security, and 5G and Wi-Fi 7 to provide dependable connectivity no matter where you're working. And Jack, the whole Dell Pro portfolio is built with durability in mind, withstanding nearly 3 times as many hinge cycles, drops, and bumps from tough corporate use as competitor devices. So not 30% more, 3 times more, Jack.
It has all the bells and whistles and durability. Sam, I'll definitely be self-hosting and personally testing this device.
Great. I was going to drop it there, too, and test it out. So
drop
thank you,
test.
Paula.
We love the new Dell Pro portfolio. And I think, Sam, everyone is wondering, why now? Why is AMD the right partner for this?
Hey, so Jack, we've learned in building the Dell AI Factory that one size does not fit all. And flexibility and choice are needed to bring the right performance to the right workload. We see the same need in PCs in the AI PC era, and I'll tell you, that's exactly where you and AMD fit in. We partner with CIOs to help them stay ahead of change, and AMD really brings a comprehensive hardware and software experience at every level of the enterprise stack, and that's a really big deal.
No, I love it, Sam. I love it. And that brings us to another critical issue. You and I spent a lot of time talking about this. We know CIOs are facing big decisions in 2025. Do you think CIOs will simply rinse and repeat and replay devices, or would they leap forward with AI PC-enabled PCs?
Okay, you're giving me a softball.
Of course.
I think the choice is clear, Jack, and we believe upgrading to AI PCs is going to pay dividends in productivity. You think about it, there's a massive installed base of 1.5 billion PCs, many of which don't meet the hardware requirements to run Windows 11. So customers that are thinking about refreshing see a world where AI is evolving faster than anyone expected, and the world's greatest productivity device, the PC, is poised to play a pivotal role in the AI revolution.
Completely agree, completely agree.
So the way we look at it, great to get an AI PC, but we've got to make it easier for CIOs to deploy AI models at scale on PCs. And as we spend time with customers, we see how complex this process is today, getting your data to run on your models on your devices, sorting through multiple AI models, silicon nuances, and then tuning and deploying models. So we're making it easier to get AI running on PCs with Dell Pro AI Studio, the industry's most comprehensive toolkit. And we believe, Jack, this will reduce the time needed to tune and deploy models by as much as 75%. Going from 6 months to as little as 6 weeks.
Wow, Sam, 6 months is 6 weeks. That's truly, truly incredible. And I agree, this is a chance for business to redefine workplace computing. And by refreshing to an AI PC, it's opting for us to move from reactive devices to what you and I talk about, to ones that can predict, think, and act in real time. Dell's new lineup of AMD-powered devices could be pivotal to this transformation.
Hey, I totally agree, Jack. Our team lives to get great devices into the hands of customers. Devices that will supercharge their creativity and productivity today and future-proof them for tomorrow.
Sam, I can't wait to bring our end-to-end portfolio together to enterprises everywhere. Thank you so much, Sam, for the partnership. This is just the beginning. I'm looking forward to partnering with you for many, many years to come.
Thanks for having me, Jack.
Thank you, Sam. You take care.
Bye.
In my opening remarks, I share with you a few highlights of how AMD is advancing the world across industries, relentlessly pushing the boundaries of high-performance computing. Today, we continue to raise that bar. We expand our leadership in gaming with the all-new Ryzen 9 9950 X3D, the world's best 16-core processor for gamers and content creators. We also proliferating AI everywhere, expanding our Ryzen AI 300 portfolio with Kraken and Strix Halo, bringing the power of a workstation to thin and light laptops. Before we wrap it up, a very special thank you to all of our wonderful friends and partners, Matt Booty, Alex Cho, Luca Rossi, Samson Hu, and Sam Bird for joining us at CES today. I truly believe that deep partnerships, where we are co-innovating together to advance the industry, is our superpower and allows us to bring transformational solutions to market for everyone. Whether it's gaming, AI PCs, or the enterprise, you can count on all of us at AMD to continue to push the boundaries of high-performance computing. And we're just getting started. The best is yet to come. Thank you all for joining us here today.
Pues ahí tenemos la presentación de AMD con estos 3 líneas prácticamente de procesadores muy potentes, una para PC de escritorios y prácticamente 2 líneas muy similares para lo que es laptops. Entonces ahí ustedes lo pueden ver, le pueden poner pausa y ver que quede como... A veces les pueden ir poniendo pausa, lo pueden ir checando, revisando para que chequen exactamente todas las características de estos procesadores. La verdad es que vienen muy potentes, ya vienen con la IA integrada, ya es el futuro, como podemos ver en algunas láminas. Estos procesadores son mucho más rápidos, se calientan menos y tienen una gran potencia en comparación de generaciones pasadas y en comparación con otros procesadores como los de Apple. Entonces ahí para que ustedes los vean, los chequen y ya estamos. Nos vemos, chicos.